People always tell me I look angry even when I'm not. Does this happen to you too? If you want to stop looking grumpy and start looking happy and fresh, then stay with me till the end. Because today, I'm sharing some simple and effective tricks that will change your look instantly. First things first, relax your face muscles. If your forehead is tense, your jaw is tight, or your eyebrows are furrowed, you will automatically look angry, even if you're not. Take a deep breath, look in the mirror, and soften your expression. You don't need a big, exaggerated smile. Just a small, natural Mona Lisa smile can make a huge difference. A little smile goes a long way. Plus, smiling releases happy hormones, which make you feel better too. Want an instant fresh look? Splash some cold water on your face. It wakes up your skin and reduces puffiness. Drink lots of water, use a good moisturizer, and don't forget sunscreen. Healthy skin naturally makes you look fresh and happy. Listen to happy music, watch funny videos, and spend time with people who make you laugh. What you feel inside shows on your face. Practice makes perfect. Stand in front of a mirror and check your facial expressions. You'll be surprised how much difference a small change can make. Did you know your posture affects your face? If you slouch, you'll look more tired and serious. But if you stand tall and confident, your face will naturally look more relaxed. And that's it. These simple tricks will make you look happier and fresher every day. Which tip was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.